name's Katie.
And I'm Natalie.
And this song is called Slippery Fish. It's a really fun song to do with kids to talk about different animals that are in the ocean. And it really helps them with vocabulary development too, because of all of the different words that we use for movement.
We'll use different hand motions for each fish, and that's great for their motor development. And it's also great to demo these movements beforehand. So we have our slippery fish, and then we get a little bit bigger, and you can actually ask students, what do you think is coming next? And this will be our tuna fish.
And then there's an octopus, and you can give the kids clues to help them guess what animal it might be. And then after that, there's a great white shark.
Tuna.
And at the very end comes the biggest animal in the ocean, a whale.
Humongous
Humongous whale. So we'll start with slippery fish. Slippery fish, swimming in the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a tuna fish, splashing in the water. A tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by an octopus, squiggling in the water. An octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a great white shark, darting in the water. A great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale, gulp, gulp, gulp. Burp. Excuse me.
And kids really have fun with that ending as well. And it's great to teach manners that we say excuse me. Hope you enjoy this song.
Thank you.